me ask my friend Vice don't know say I for the continent pass and I represent Kingmixup. Baddest when it come on to entertainment news. Don't miss a beat. Make sure you stay tuned.
And how the strategy is going.
Conversation now has expired. So you can do me a favor, suck your mother.
Alright. So Mom, I hope you're seeing this.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you have a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bag and the one I gotta continue giving them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, it's a good look for the dancer Queen Spice. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. As you can see, things fixed on the fix. You know what I mean? You remember that infamous clip where Spice tell Naro forgot SM Madam and all of this stuff because, you know, Spice said Naro always, you know, I talk bad about her and all of these things and things. You see what I say? And you know, Nicki Minaj did kind of, you know, drape him up a there, yeah, you know, for same things. You see what I say? But nevertheless, you know, Spice is promoting her album Run and you don't know the thing said. The promotional runs, you know what I mean? And she have to eat up the fix. You know. Not for the views, but come on now, we don't know the fix then. You see what I say? Yeah. But nevertheless, she said the relationship is fixed, so don't miss the interview this Monday. You see what I say? So I lock that in on the schedule, you see me? So like I said, it's definitely a good look. You know what I mean? Because, you know, she was catching a lot of heat, you know, for disrespecting local journalists. You see what I say? Even Winfred Williams tried to, you know, start Naro and all of these things and things. You see what I say? Those of you who remember the situation. So I'm definitely going to tune in and see what I go on for that to go on. You see me? Putting on the comment section what you think about that.
You will never come back to the United States of America. And I said to them, let's see what God will do. All rises in the sun. They want to run down. Want to be spreading the words that they are not satisfied. Even though I'm tired. I'm tired of all the things that I've got to stay white. But look my head. Dance back outside. Down here. Anticipate. Burn to your spine. Don't you hold on. I was paralyzed, but I'm still breathing. I don't know to make but I'm not.
Yeah, and that's how you do it when you're doing it in the Big Apple. You see, my people. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. These younger dancehall artists is not learn not to get caught up in the Uncle Sam law. You see me, and a lot of people is shocked. Buju Banton is back in America, not singing, you know, the bye-bye song and things. But nevertheless, you heard what he said, you know. They told him that he would never make it back. You see me? And honestly, you know, if him not have to sing about the B-man things, who really cares? You know what I mean? There's more issues at hand that can be talked about. You feel me? Put in the comment section where you think about that. And also, it does help that he's friends with DJ Khaled, who's friends with Jay-Z, who, you know, works with Buju Banton in distributing his music. You see what I say? And if you know anything about the law, people who got deported for selling drugs, them can return to America after a certain period of time. Look pan Busy Signal, who got caught up with the same thing as Buju, or similar things. You see what I say? And them there in America, I do the do's. You see what I say, people. So yeah, but I know a lot of people don't want to believe that, but it's true. You know what I mean? You can't ask any deportee at Jamaica and things. You know, more time, them just don't want to come back. You feel me? But them can go. You know what I mean? But I'm just giving an update what I go on for that to go on. The show them sell off. You see what I say? Yeah.
Look at Nika, and she's looking at her dress. Hold on the dress, let them see. This dress is a Stella McCartney black tulle dress with, it's leather? Is it leather?
Something like Puduswa.
Puduswa.
This is a nice
tulle dress. Miss Phoenix, guess how much is this? It's a Stella McCartney. This dress is 7,000. Show the tag. 7,000.
You're on the live?
300. No, I'm doing a video.
But what I want to tell them is it's not a problem. Because we have Nika who can do this.
Yes, show them the price.
We don't need
No,
this.
spin it. Because I couldn't believe when Nika told me. No, it's not that side. That's not the side of it. $7,300 US for a Puduswa and tulle dress. And my designer right here, Nika, can make this. Right? Wow. That's like a house money. A car money.
Sexy one on there, see?
Wow.
Oh my God. That was
7,000.
I love that one.
No, them a beat Auntie Donna by this mercy. As you can see, Auntie Donna up in the Big Apple, New York City, going to her event. You see mercy. And to me the dress look good. You know what I mean? Obviously I'm not a fashion police critique and things, but she definitely looks good. You know what I mean? I'm not going to comment on these big bad things that me see the people that might do X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and that. But it looked like the design of the dress, the girl in the dream. It looked like, you know, she tried to mimic the dress she said for $7,400 US that was shown earlier. You see what I say? These are a few of the comments on my Instagram page. Cause you know we made the post on IG and all of this stuff. You see what I say? And the people that might beat her bad pan the frack. You see what I say? Putting out the comment section where anything about them. And then you have the people them saying, you know, it's 100 degrees in New York. Why would you be wearing that X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and that? You see, man, say, you know, how we come see and all of these stuff and things. But you live and you learn, and I feel her money. You see, man, say, so she can do anything she wants to do. You know what I mean? Big up the Donna them and all of this stuff. But, you know, Donna actually put in some hard work. You see, man, say, me people. So they just take it easy, partner. You see it? Yeah, let's proceed.
Nobody's. Any pussy me tell go suck them mother on the internet. See me in a real life pussy I run up. And I see my body is terrible. I mean now you notice, me not go road with bum buckler crowd, you know, me alone go road here. No more that. I mean the 100 man back on me. When you see me in the street pussy, just talk where you have to talk. Because I not talk when you see me in the street, you talk on the internet. That's why I do the only thing I do is show the love. And show the love on this. I'm making it hear my mouth 1 and 2 times, you know. That is it, a flight to catch, never feelings. The feelings are go. But they can't trouble me. Queen 11. I'm mad. One thing I know screw is my friend named Chevy. She would even look for you here. That me I tell you. Because at the end of a good day, my friend I talk to Duppy. And Uncle Duppy bum buckler roll with blood clot fake profile. You don't know. So I don't know yourself. You don't know if you're a man or a woman. You don't know if you're cute or ugly. You don't know if you're big or fat. What the fuck? I come off the internet, man, if you can't show yourself.
Fat on him bleach. Bleach out and fat.
One thing you know, Island. You will attack.
That's poor. And I eat 2 chicken spaghetti.
Yo, Chipper, where you going, Chip Dan?
Yeah, right, that's my father.
Holy cold, man.
I just, listen me, I dress up in the night, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Def, where you say clean pan them girl, but yeah. Oh, buckler, where you say, see the most dead tonight, my God.
Yo, my father, why you keep running by the road?
I mean, I want to hear that, you know, about this come down.
Now fuck up
You
around
can't.
there. Fuck up
Can't
around
smoke the
there.
thing more time. More time we have to up, man. I want to take clean. Clean to me step Chipper.
Yeah,
Buckler, them know you.
I mash up around there quick and fast, cause two of them say me now goat. Me I watch them, you know, them I say, oh, Chipper not go nowhere, and thing. They don't know nothing about my style, cause they don't know nothing about me. You see me?
That is it, Chipper. You can't make them study. You see, anytime you
Can't
pussy
make them
them
study
study,
me,
my God.
bro.
There's no your thing water done. That keep it
You see me?
same way. So I could come here and show say you're watching our road, me I go. people there say we are going same place where you go right now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And them a look to see, you know, but here we go and them don't know where you know, them just know say you
But
know a red top, so
bro,
them a look out for
bro,
a red top.
bro, a while ago, one of my moms them say, yo, come mama say you don't know. So me is a
Yeah.
youth spot.
Oh, God.
Girl, woman in England, one thing with me can talk this. Woman in England take care of me because they love my style. Zane, I'ma take care of
I
them as
know
well.
mama, I know
Me,
Kelly love me man, hey that. I have to come back on the ground one of them times soon. Can't make it too late. Big up a clean fat pussy girl them over Bumbuckler Kelly. The one queen wave over there. Bumbuckler.
yeah, man, no, but I don't know the woman that I talk to.
No dog. Bad man, when me say to you, me will never take away your woman. No man in this world, me not have them woman. Cause at the end of the day, at the end of the good day, I only what? Associate
I
myself
was
with them.
right. Yeah.
You see me? Me and them not there, bro.
Yeah, can't be mad at the way I live life, you know. See, man, I say, anyway, people not longer, this no longer, you know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest. Bless.